On the side navigation, go to Website Settings, and under it, click on Feed Rules. On the Feed Rules screen, click the Add a Rule button. Select the channel S where this rule will apply. You can choose one, multiple, or all enabled channels, example Google. Provide a descriptive name for your rule, such as Product Type 4 and 5 Assignment, to clearly define its purpose. Set up conditions to group similar items by clicking Add Condition. You'll see various options like Basic, Price and Availability, Product Identifier, and more. For example, if you want to target products with wool in the title, select Basic to display details like title, description, and more. Click on Title, add a condition like Title contains wool, and hit Apply. This ensures the rule applies only to products that meet the condition. You can also add multiple conditions by clicking Add Condition. Click Add Action to define an action for the condition. You'll see various options to set actions, such as Basic, Shipping, and more. Click on Product Categorization, where you can manage product type levels. To assign Product Type Level 4, click on Product Type Level 4. From the drop-down, select Set Attribute. In the Input field, you can choose attributes like title, brand, or others. Alternatively, choose Add Text to set a custom attribute value. For example, add wool socks as the custom value. Enable the Allow this action to override manual edits option to allow automatic updates. Then click Apply to confirm the action. For Product Type Level 5, click Add Action again. Under Product Categorization, click on Product Type Level 5, select Set Attribute from the drop-down, add a custom attribute value, such as Australian-made socks, and enable the Allow this action to override manual edits option. Then click Apply. Click Save Draft to save the rule as a draft. Preview the draft feed rules to ensure they meet your expectations. You can toggle between modified data or original data to see the differences. Once satisfied with the preview results, apply the rule to make it active. By following these steps, you can efficiently group products, automate product type assignments,